Good morning to all of you. Uh, we are reading the chapter solution, and today we will discuss about the types of non-ideal solution. And in previous video we have discussed about the types of solution. Okay, uh, we are uh, uh, we are considering a binary solution of two component A and B. If the AB interaction in the solution are weaker than the AA and BB interaction in the two liquid forming the solution, then the escaping tendency of A and B types of molecule from the solution becomes more than the pure liquid. This type of behavior of solution is described as positive deviation from the Raoult's law. PA greater than P naught A into XA and PV greater than P naught B into XB. The total vapor pressure P equal to PA plus PV is always greater than PA naught into XA plus P naught B into XB. Now let us see the graph between mole fraction and vapor pressure. We see the dotted line represents the ideal behavior and solid line represent the actual behavior. This graph indicate positive deviation. Okay, now we are giving some examples. Ethyl alcohol and cyclohexane, acetone and carbon disulfide, benzene and acetone, carbon tetrachloride and chloroform. All are the example. If you mix the solution, if you prepare the solution, that means binary solution, you will find positive deviation will show. Now we are talking about the non-ideal solution. Okay, in such solution the AB interaction is stronger. In case of positive deviation, AB interaction are weaker. That means the solution due to a stronger AB interaction, the escaping tendency of A and B types of molecule from the solution becomes less than the pure liquid. Now again let us see the graph in case of negative deviation. Okay, you will see the graph and you will find the dotted line represents ideal behavior and the solid lines represent the actual behavior. This graph clearly indicates that negative deviation will take place. Example, acetones and chloroform and diethyl ether, acetone and aniline. Okay, thank you.